Hey guys, Tank here. Man, it's upside down. It's better. I have a cool little RC here. This is from Haiboxing. This is their racing 4x4 truck. It is a 1/16 scale powered truck, and it does have 2 lipos with it, which is kind of cool. And let's go right to it and open it up and see a couple things on the box. So this truck is pretty cool. It looks pretty cool actually, and it does come ready to run. It is 4-wheel drive. The remote is 2.4 gigahertz. The shocks look good. They are adjustable, and they do have ball bearings in there, so that is cool. And they do have different options for this truck, which is very good, which means you can actually put a brushless motor on there, and it is splash proof. And it's cool that it actually comes with LED at the front. Now here's the technical data on it, the length of it and the weight, wheelbase, gear ratio, and you can actually get optional items. It is a all-terrain hobby grade, fun and durable. Note, the headlight LED provided as a free gift is included in the box, and a lot of different safety information. It does come in 2 different colors, kind of a bluish green, and this one, which is more black and orange. And that's the one we got. Let's open her up. So when you open her up, this is the packaging that it comes into. So it is not a bunch of foam. It is a vacuum seal plastic around the truck. First thought of it, it looks okay. Now these tires seems to be pretty good. And there's the shocks inside, which looks okay. They are adjustable. I like the weight of it. It's nice and heavy. So out of the box you do get a manual with it, and we'll open up real quick and see what's in there. The remote does have steering adjust, speed, and steering reverse on and off. There's a Knox here for 3rd channel. There's no foam, but it's what's nice, it's nice size, and you can actually drive this with one hand. The remote actually takes 2 AA's, which is pretty good. We'll see how long it actually lasts, but it's 2 AA's, and the AA's actually go in the handles. So in the bag, you do get extra body clip, 4 body clip. Those are extras compared to the one that you actually have on the body, which is good. You also have the LED. So the LEDs are not installed. You have to install them yourself. And you get the 2nd LiPo. I did check in the truck. The other one is there. So this is the one that goes there. And here is the trickle charger. It's a USB trickle charger. And basically you just connect it onto the balance lead, and this is going to charge up your LiPo on a trickle charge. So very nice and easy to do. If you have a normal charger, you can charge it with your charger. Okay, so for the manual, you do get stickers to put on the truck, so you can leave it like it is or put them on the truck. You do get a service card, warranty card. And you have a whole bunch of different information, which is pretty good for a hobby grade, because it tells you how to install the LEDs, and it tells you a bunch of other stuff for maintenance of the car. So lots of good information in there. And you do have a assembly diagram and part list of the whole truck, which is very interesting, because if ever you need parts, they do have the breakdown of the part number, and also how everything is put together. So very good little design for the price and what you're getting. It's not bad, and it shows you the part numbers of all the other options that you can actually get for this. So let's start looking at the truck. The truck is very interesting, and it does show that you don't have the stickers for it, but it does have a sticker on top that actually says that rip off the body protective film, and I'll show you real quick how to do that, because there is a film that protects this, and you can actually see it a little bit here. And we'll take off the body pin and actually look inside the truck. Now, these are the body pin that came, and you do have 4 extra body pins. And here's the inside of the truck, which is fairly well made. I'm very surprised and very intrigued on how this thing is going to handle, because the tires are very good. It's got a good rubber on it. They are vented. So this should be very interesting to see go. So to turn it on, there's actually a push button that you push on it and hold. I really like the weight of this. Now it does say to take off the film. Everybody, when you paint them and do them, they always have this protective film. So if you just rub it, you can actually just take it off. So you see here. So don't stick the stickers on there, because you have to take this film off first. So this is the protective film. It's almost like when you get a sunburn and you're peeling the skin off your body. This is what it is. So it actually protects it while shipping. So you just have to take this off. You take it all off, and then you can put your stickers on it. So don't forget to take this off, and then it takes this logo off. And now you have the body, which is nice and shiny. The Lexan on it is very strong. I'm happy of how thick the Lexan is on here. So it should be robust and withstand some pretty good hits. Suspension on this is good. It's a little tighter in the front than the rear. Seems like it. But you can always adjust this. So these are adjustable. I like the fact that they're putting a Velcro to hold the battery in here. That's going to help a lot, instead of having a clamp or anything. So this is going to help it. I like that they put a Dean's in here. The A-arms look thick. For the weight and how this is going to handle, it should be pretty neat. Read and understand before use. Fully charge the battery. Oh man, we got to fully charge it. Okay, so we'll read some information, we'll charge up the battery, and then we'll take this outside and have some fun. Cool stuff. Like I said, looks like the back is a little soft, because you see this bouncing and the front doesn't bounce. So I'll check the shocks and things like that and let you know what happens. Okay, let's check both batteries to make sure that everything is okay with the batteries. And I do have 14%, and both cells on these batteries are perfect. So they are equal. So we'll charge them up. Let's check this other battery. 12%. And both cells are equal, so they're safe to actually charge. Okay, here we go. Batteries are all charged up. Let's turn on the remote. Remote is on. It's searching for the truck. Let's push on. There we go. Stop flashing here and stop flashing there. So she's ready to go. So forward is working, reverse is working, and steering is working, and everything is the proper way. So let's put the cap back on and get outside. Oh yes, and the LEDs were pretty easy to install, and they are nice and bright. You just have to push them in, and push them in all the way until they can't go in anymore on both sides. Just pass your on top, your wires on top, and then use a two-way sticky tape and put this here. And I use a tie wrap to hold the wire down and connect it onto the ESC here, the ESC receiver, and it supplies you power to the lights. Okay, the truck is on. Let's start having some fun. Well, guys, for the fun factor, I give this a 10 out of 10. This thing is fun. We did do a lot of flips with it. We did do a lot of hard landing on it. You can tell the bumper's got a couple scratches, and it's been holding up. Everything is still nice and tight. We went through one battery, and I still got another one to have fun with. Hey guys, we really took that truck, that Haiboxing truck, for a good spin. We had a lot of tumbles, hit a tree, did everything with it, ran a full pack and a half of power, and it's still going strong. This little car, this little RC car, 16889 from Haiboxing, is a hoot. It's fun to drive. I had a whole bunch of guys coming in after or during I was actually doing the test outside. They started driving it, and they all want one now. They're saying the whole group of us should all get one and start racing these old things. They're a lot of fun. So guys, please like, comment, and thumbs up. And I'll talk to you next time on the Tank RC. Thanks, guys.